Yo guys, these brands, they will harass you. The email that is already sitting in your mailbox is not going to disappear. It's like, that's what Optichannel is about. Hey guys, welcome to Experience Design. Today, I want us to talk about Optichannel experience. In our previous video, we talked about how to design for an omni-channel experience. But this time, I want to take customer experience to the next level. Okay guys, let's jump straight into the details. We have so many digital devices that we use today. We have an iMac, iWatch, iPad, iPhone, MacBook, etc. We have so many digital platforms or channels that we use today as customers. These range from websites of the brands that we buy products from, mobile apps that we use, WhatsApp businesses, email, SMSs that we get from these companies. They also expect us to engage with them via Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, and other social media platforms. This problem is so personal, so close to home. Imagine getting a "hello Putumi, please provide proof of address," like everywhere. Yo guys, these brands, they will harass you. They'll send in an SMS, reach you via WhatsApp, reach you via Facebook, reach you via an app, and we're bombarded by so many messages. It doesn't really help that you've read the message via the app, because the email that is already sitting in your mailbox is not going to disappear. It's like, So what do we do? Providing an omnichannel experience for your customers is great, but we need to be able to communicate and support a customer experience using the channel that is best suited for that particular customer to perform a particular task at a given time. That's what Optichannel is about. So, as designers, we need to be able to identify transactional, behavioral patterns, contextual information, location-based services, artificial intelligence, and real-time data, so that we can achieve optimal experience for that particular customer, so that they can perform a particular task at the right time and at the right channel. Talking about behaviors, simple example, you could be like chilling, doing some work on your laptop, and next thing you need to go somewhere during lunchtime, and you have to go to Google Maps, search for an address. You can see how far the place is, but as soon as you need to leave, you're going to switch to your mobile phone and navigate. Another one could be working, pumping some awesome music, listening to Spotify.
None of this shit promise, ain't none of this promise.
And if you need to run in the morning or after work, you want to switch to your phone. Some customers have channel preferences. They might have multiple devices, but they might prefer that they will do their banking on their phone and maybe go to your website because they need to update the bloody app, or maybe they've run out of space, or maybe their phone has died, or maybe the phone is stolen. Then they'll move to a website for that particular time. Or maybe they need to switch from a phone to a laptop because that's where the document that they need to provide is at. So, as designers, right, what can we do? We need to get a deeper understanding of the customer journey, looking at how we attract, engage, convert, nurture, and keep our customers loyal to the brand. We need to be able to identify those deep emotional moments, so that we have an opportunity to innovate, an opportunity to reposition and reimagine the customer journey that we can personalize for that particular customer. Talking about personalization, right? Looking at a particular behavior and analyzing what they have done in the past is great. That would help us to know if we should send them an SMS, or if we should call them, email, or do a push notification via the app instead of just sending messages everywhere. You would know what specials to offer. You would know that it would be better to reach them via the app during lunch or after work or weekends if you pay attention to their behavior. You must have heard a lot about big data and artificial intelligence. As designers, what can we do? We need to be intentional about recording customer interactions and patterns. That means we need to work very, very close with our developers to make sure that those details are captured. So, how will this help us, right? We need to be able to answer certain questions about our customers at an individual level. Did they visit your brand via website, app, USSD, WhatsApp, branch? This will help us to understand their channel of choice. Did they use a phone or a laptop? Where were they at the time that they were performing this task? If they were using a phone or laptop instead of coming to your branch, at what branch? Where were they? That will be able to help us to understand the information that our geolocation can capture, and maybe when they are at a particular location, we will be able to push the relevant campaigns. What time was it? Was it during the weekend, during the week, lunch, or after work? What were they doing? Maybe there's additional information that we can gather if we're to observe what they were doing on the website, the products that they visited, pages that they visited, maybe the tasks that they were performing, etc. We can intelligently use data so that we can create an amazing future brand experience, so that when they come back to us or when they engage with us the next time, or when we engage with them the next time, we can know how to deliver the message at the right platform at the right time. Thank you.
And none of us perfect. I hope it was worth it. Shopping in Paris. We going shopping in Paris.